Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to change the cart icon on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. With that, let's get started. Before we start, just make sure you have your new SVG icon file ready to go. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store, and select Edit Code. In the search bar, type in Header Actions, and open up the headeractions.liquid file. Next, scroll down to around line 30. You are looking for a short block of code that looks like the default cart icon on my screen right now. Go ahead and highlight that entire small section from start to finish. Delete that block completely. Now, open up your new custom SVG icon file using Notepad to copy the details. Paste it right into your Shopify editor. Pasting it this way makes sure your new icon automatically resizes itself to match the rest of your store perfectly. Once that is pasted in, go ahead and hit save in the upper right corner. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to change the cart icon on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.